Once your gnome is baked and cooled, it is ready to add the beard. Alright, your alpaca fiber from my parents' farm will arrive already cleaned, and I'll kind of have the fibers all going the same way, but it might be a little disheveled from traveling, so you'll want to kind of just make sure all the fibers line up together. And you can do this by pulling it a little bit. And we'll take 2 sections of fibers. We'll do for each side of the beard, and then a third smaller section will go at the bottom. So we'll take about this much for each section. Like so. You can line it up and see if that's an amount you would like. And then see if that's even with your other section of fiber. And if not, you can even them out a little bit. Kind of about that much. This is the glue I'm using, but your glue will be different because it will have a little brush nozzle. So I'll show you how to use this, and it will be the same concept. What we're going to do is take our glue and put it on top of this little nub. And you can use gloves for this if you would like, so you just prevent getting glue on your fingers. But if not, that's totally fine. Just make sure that your work surface is protected and you're wearing clothes that you don't mind getting glue on, or wearing an apron. So we'll take our fibers and we'll hold the top and pull and see if any come loose. And if they do, we'll put them back on the top. Hold that section, pull again. We just want to make sure that all of the fibers will be connected at the top here. Kind of twist them together, and then you can set them on that little nub. You can take your toothpicks and press it down, kind of rolling back and forth to make sure all of the fiber gets stuck. You can also make your gnome have braids in the front if you would like, by doing another section of hair here and braiding that after the glue is dried, or you can forgo the beard and braid this section. But we will take our other set of fiber, twist that top together, and then pull to see if any comes out. Put it together again until nothing does, and then twist it together. You can add a little bit more glue to the top portion, kind of stringing it around. This is where your toothpicks come in handy, because you can touch the super glue without touching it. Manipulate the super glue without touching it. So just kind of loop that there. And then set your fiber on top of the glue, pressing down and around. And you can kind of twist it around so that one little bits of fiber twists around at the top, like so. And sometimes I like to take a little tiny piece of fiber and give my gnome hair at the back of their head. You can either make it looped, or you can make them have long hair. But you can do this by taking your super glue again, doing a small little plop back there, and then using your toothpick to spread it around a little bit. Take this little bit, fold it, and then set it right there, and then twist it around And then you'll take a little bit of fiber again for the bottom portion of the beard. Do that system where you hold and pull. Hold and pull. And then you're going to fold it in half. Just hold that for a second or set it to the side. Take your super glue again. And this time, if you have the brush nozzle, you can use that brush nozzle to conveniently plop a little bit of super glue below the gnome's nose. But if not, you can take a toothpick, and that gives you a little more precision than just globbing it. Then take this folded portion and we'll stick, see how it's folded here? We'll take this back portion and stick it on the gnome right below the nose. Take your toothpick and press it down and roll it around. You can also go underneath that fold and press a little firmer. Then I just like to carefully pull the beard all together, kind of twist it to see if it's in a good spot. And here's where you can either cut your beard or you can twist it, and then we can glue it down here. If you glue it down here, you'll take just another precise dot of glue right below at the junction of the sweater and the head, and then you'll set that little twisted, the bottom portion of the twisted bit right there. Pull out your toothpick, kind of twisting it around. So there your gnome would have a very full beard. Or if you don't like that, you can take some scissors and just snip around your gnome's beard. It really depends on what style you're going for. And if you have scissors or not. You can also do that and then retwist and glue so that the beard's a little shorter. But I'll show you how to attach the hat. Pretty much it's just taking some super glue for the last time, hopefully, and adding a little glop to the inner edge of your hat. But you don't want it right at the brim of the hat. You want it a little ways into the hat so the glue doesn't seep out. So it seeps up rather than out. Right. Again, you can take your toothpick to spread it around, or if you've got that brush nozzle, you can use it. Spread it all around in there. And then make sure all of the hairs are up in the hat that you would like to be. And then you can kind of plop it on there and hold it for however long your directions say for your super glue to be. If you're using the super glue in the kit, I think it's like 35 seconds, something like that. Just hold it on there. They're so cute. Great job, guys. I'd love to see your gnomes. Feel free to tag me or email me your photos, and then I can add them to the gnome page of Minieshop if you'd like. Also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. There's a link to buy the gnome kit in the description below, as well as the template for making your gnomes. Hope you have fun and hope you make a lot of gnomes with a lot of really fun people. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.